There's a couple of Blender things you really need to know. I'm getting a lot of questions about why things won't render. It just won't render. Go to your printer icon. Make sure that your output is not set to My Folder. Click on the folder and navigate to your output folder. It should be in Blender. But as long as you have that somewhere, all your PNGs and videos should be there. Remember, videos are created as they render, but pictures, when they render, you have to then save them. Make sure you have a name for that video so that it just adds those numbers on to the end. It's not just a video with that number. The other thing is to know what it's going to look like in the render. Many of you are not in the fully rendered mode. You're just looking at this and thinking that's what it's going to look like, but it's not. It's going to be very dim and dingy unless you look here and do something about the lighting. You can go to the light bulb, and increase the amount of power. You can also move it closer. Without it being locked, you can orbit and look at where the light is. This is the Move tool. You click on the actual color of the arrow in order to move it around. There's also the G key. You just tap G, and as you move your mouse, it will move the light around and find a good angle. Keep in mind you want your camera and the light to be on the same side. You may have to orbit and press G again to get it exactly where you might want it. You do want shadows. Pressing 0 on my number pad, so you need a little bit of shadows there. Pressing G, and you can move it while you're looking through the camera to get a good angle. But it should be lit up well enough to really see those colors. Very important to have a nice bright render so people can see your model.